If you are obsessing over watch time and keywords in this 2026, you are fighting a loose battle. The YouTube algorithm has enveloped, and the old trick of getting views are not working. Like, I am breaking down the three massive shifts that is hitting the platform before heading over to 2026. If you are under 1,000 subscribers, this video this is a good news, because this is a good news if you know how to use it. Welcome to Growth with YouTube, Growth with Francisca. Let's dive in. So number one is the death of empty click. Now the YouTube AI is no longer watching or looking at how long people just watch, but they are checking how people feel after watching that particular video. Do you understand? So they call it satisfaction signal. Did they like the video? Did they comment? But the most important is, did they come back to watch the previous videos? Do you understand? Now, here is the action you have to take immediately. Instead of biting a click or complaining, this is what you do. When creating your content, make sure that you engage with your audience, like asking question or asking them to do a particular thing. Do you understand? So by doing this, people will engage, they will comment, they will like your video, even like to watch your previous videos. Okay, now let's go to shift. Now the shift number two is AI flood. By 2026, millions of videos will be generated using AI. Okay, now to compete, the YouTube algorithm would like you to prioritize your personal connections. Do you understand? A faceless channel, you have to have a unique voice or editing style. Do you understand? So now, if you are a personal brand, you need to show more of your personality. Okay. Now the generic content is getting crushed. Do you understand? Now, this is the action step you need to take immediately. Now you have to go and audit your last three videos. Like, you have to go and audit your last three videos. For example, now if I remove my logo, will people still recognize that is me? If not, if people didn't recognize that is you, have to add some unique of that your video. Okay, is it the way you tell your story, or the way you dress, or the way you address your audience? So you have to make it unique so that people will recognize you immediately without showing your logo. Do you understand? Now shift is the shift number three, that is the short bridge. Before, people are using short for viral reach, but now people are using it for recruitment tools. Okay, they are using it for recruitment tools for the long form videos. Now in 2026, the YouTube algorithm will reward channel that draw their audience from their short form videos to their long form videos. Now this is the action step that you need to take. Create a content. Okay, once you create your content, the same content that you are creating in your long form videos, once you are done creating it, make sure that immediately you upload your video, you use that related video tag there to link your long form video to your short form video. By doing this, people will also do what? Click on your long form videos and watch. Do you understand? So now the YouTube algorithm is not against you, but it is simply telling you to just get better. It is as simple as that. Okay. Now watch this video for some certain changes that you now watch this video for particular settings you need to set up in your channel. Okay, now don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more YouTube growth strategies. I love you all. Bye bye.